If Firefox keeps crashing when you use YouTube or Google Docs, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step fix that can solve a lot of browser instability issues in just a few minutes. The best part is, these steps are easy to follow, and you do not need any advanced technical skills. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick fixes and helpful software guides. Let's jump right in. The first thing we're going to do is turn off hardware acceleration in Firefox. Hardware acceleration is designed to help your computer handle heavy graphics more smoothly, but if your graphics card is outdated, buggy, or just not playing nicely with Firefox, it can actually cause crashes instead of preventing them. So to begin, open Firefox and look to the top right corner of the browser. Click the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. From the menu, click Settings. This will open Firefox's main settings page, where you can adjust performance and privacy options. Once you're in Settings, use the search bar and type Performance. This makes it much faster to find the exact option we need. Now look for the Performance section. You should see a checkbox that says Use Recommended Performance Settings. Untick that box first. When you disable the recommended settings, Firefox will reveal more advanced options underneath it. One of those options is Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Uncheck that box as well. After turning off hardware acceleration, the next step is to restart Firefox. This part is important because the change usually won't fully take effect until the browser is closed and opened again. So go ahead and completely close Firefox, then reopen it and test YouTube or Google Docs again. In many cases, this alone can make a big difference and stop those random crashes. If you're still having trouble, the next fix is to clear site data for Google Docs. Sometimes Google Docs stores old, damaged, or conflicting cookies and site files that can make the page freeze, fail to load properly, or crash Firefox altogether. Clearing that site data gives the page a fresh start without affecting the rest of your browser. To do this, go to Google Docs in Firefox. Once the page loads, look at the address bar and click the padlock icon next to the website address. This opens the site information and permissions panel. From there, choose Clear Cookies and Site Data. Firefox may ask you to confirm, so click Clear when prompted. After clearing the site data, reload the page and try Google Docs again. Give it a moment to sign back in and rebuild the page from scratch. In a lot of cases, this fixes loading problems, freezes, and browser crashes caused by corrupted site storage. So to recap, if YouTube or Google Docs is crashing Firefox, first turn off hardware acceleration in the performance settings, then restart the browser, and if the issue is happening with Google Docs specifically, clear the site data and reload the page. These two fixes solve many common Firefox problems without needing to reinstall anything. If this video saved you time, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more easy troubleshooting videos just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.